Hi everyone! Magandang gabi! Oras na naman para sa ating Learn Tagalog pronunciation video para sa mga words and phrases from last week. At last week, we started Monday with easy Taglish. Examples ay mga i-share, i-tag, i-drive, i-refill, i-refill, i-hang, i-charge. At example ay i-share. If you wanna say, share this, i-share mo to. Or click this, i-click mo to. Charge my phone, i-charge mo ang cellphone ko. And last one, tag me, i-tag mo ako. Next, we have connection and connected. Connection, connection. 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 At connected, konektado. Konektado. Connection at konektado. Suspek and victim, suspek at biktima. Suspek at biktima. Biktima. At how do you say I want sa Tagalog? Gusto ko ng, gusto ko ng. Let's practice. I want an apple. Gusto ko ng mansanas. I want grapes. Gusto ko ng ubas. Or maybe you want a new cell phone. Gusto ko ng bagong cellphone. Or gusto ko ng sapatos. Which means I want shoes. Gusto ko ng pagkain. I want food. Gusto ko ng sasakyan. I want a car. Or, last example, gusto ko ng candy. Candy. I want candy. Gusto ko ng candy. And then, we have this photo. That is a photo of a fence. Fence. Bakod. 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 How do you say, let her be or let him be? Hayaan mo siya. Hayaan mo siya. Hayaan mo siya. Or, pabayaan mo siya. Pabayaan. Pabayaan mo siya. Or, hayaan mo siya. Why are you like that? Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka ganyan? Ganyan. Bakit ka ganyan? I thought, akala ko, akala ko, akala ko. Example, I thought you're not here. Akala ko, wala ka dito. Akala ko, kilala kita. Akala ko kilala kita. Sa Ingles, I thought I know you. At if you wanna say sorry, sorry, sorry. Nakita mo ba si? Have you seen? Nakita mo ba si? Nakita mo ba si Mark? Have you seen Mark? Nakita mo ba si Rex? Have you seen Rex? Nakita mo ba si Madel? Have you seen Madel? Have you seen Jhon and Angel? Nakita mo ba sina, Jhon at Angel? That is cucumber or pipino. 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 Our last word, dangerous, delikado. 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 Or, the other Tagalog word, mapanganib. Mapanganib. Mapanganib.